I woke up to the sound of someone making breakfast in my kitchen. When I walked in, I froze because I was already there. He looked at me and said, "You were late again. I'll handle today." I tried to speak, but nothing came out. My throat wouldn't move. He picked up my jacket, my phone, my keys. Before he left, he looked at me and whispered, "Don't worry. I'll live your life better than you ever did." It's been 3 days now. He hasn't come back. The house still smells like breakfast. And sometimes I hear him humming in the kitchen.